couldn't do it, man. Oh, that's what I couldn't do that. He's gonna leap off a cliff.
You're gonna jump off a cliff. Must be nice.
There you go.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Well, where's he going?
Oh, he's gonna run out and then blow.
It is like he, I don't know.
It's like the wind's blowing the wrong way or something.
Yeah, that's what I would think.
That's a good thing he didn't run out and jump off.
That'd be jacked up. Does anybody get cell phone reception?
Yeah, that wouldn't be a good thing. Theirs is bigger. It's twice that size, dude. Hey, we can borrow it anytime we want. That's part of the privilege of them getting it.
Almost got it. At least he's going to wear a helmet. Because he's busted his face on the side of a rock as I'm on the way down.
There he goes. Oh, look at that. This fool's crazy.
I'm telling you.
Only in Northern Cali.
You know, that shit's gotta be hella fun. Oh, shit.
Oh, no.
Right on the side of the hill. That's fucked up. That's what it looks like he's getting ready to do.
Nah, he'll get it. He'll catch the air draft and then down the hill. Watch. He's just doing a cruise.
That's sick. You know, that shit's gotta be hella fun. Hell yeah. That's fucking
Hey,
sick.
what'd you see this video, fool?
Oh, and that thing on his back's like a little chair.
What'd you see the video, fool?
He's just sitting in like a little chair.
Hell yeah.
That's tight, fool. I wonder if he can like pull up so he gets like... So
Yeah, he'll use the draft and he'll pull it up. I guarantee you he can go up. Yo, that's off the hook.
Goes to land on the beach. Blah, hit somebody.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Oh, that was a little close. You're gonna get fucked and you get stuck on the side of that steep ass hill.
Oh, he done data.
You think?
He done data. Nah, see, because the wind goes up the hill to create that draft. You know what I mean? It'll raise him up.
He's sure look like he's getting a little iffy there. That's nice.
Usually they go off this side here.
Oh yeah?
Off that side there?
We got a southerly blowing.
Okay.
It's gonna get stronger this afternoon.
Yeah, I couldn't do it, man. It looks hella fun though.
Throw a motor in the back of that thing, maybe.
Damn.
You know, I'm gonna get a picture of the coastline, dog. While we at it. Yep. You about to land.
These people below are like, what the hell? Don't hit me. Cool little like 5-minute ride.
There he is. Right on top of him.